Imagine yourself in this 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 320 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 5.3-liter V8 engine, 6-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock, and radio display. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.